Chromperfect Unite is a new software platform for the analysis and reporting of chromatography data. Unite can accept data from Chromperfect and third-party acquisition systems such as Chemstation, Openlab, Chromeleon, Empower, TotalChrom, and others. Chromperfect, Chemstation, and Openlab files can be opened natively. Other data systems are supported with the NetCDF format. You can analyze single or multiple chromatograms. When more than one file is displayed, these can be viewed in tiled windows or overlaid on a single plot. Synchronized Expansion allows quick and easy comparison of many chromatograms with a simple mouse click. There are a series of shortcuts so you can backtrack through the previous scaling. The expansion map is a floating window. It allows quick and easy scale changes when reviewing more complex data. It can be used with single or multiple chromatograms. Moving or adjusting the scaling window changes the view within all open chromatogram plots. Chromperfect Unite allows dynamic peak integration with automatic and manual options. There are many timed events available. These can be placed on the chromatogram with the mouse. If saved to the method, the integration settings can be applied to similar analysis going forward. Improving the integration of this problematic HPLC run is simple. We can use the Set Baseline Now command. Place the command with the left mouse button, then confirm with the right. The baseline of the peak at 18 minutes needs adjustment. Let's use the manual integration option to change the baseline. We will use the Move Peak Start or End command. Done. Now we are happy with our analysis. Let's bind the file saving our changes. Binding files saves the method, calibration, integration, and reports with the raw data. You can fully customize chromatogram plots in the Analysis app. It is easy to change the plot labels, the color of any element, the font, the thickness and color of the chromatogram plot, and much more. These changes can be saved for the current chromatogram or as a default setting for future analysis. Chromperfect Unite allows you to quickly export data and graphics for use in Microsoft applications such as Word or Excel. Adjusting calibration within the Analysis app is easy and can be done graphically. Let's correct some misidentified peaks. There is a fast and easy way to make simple retention time changes with a couple of mouse clicks. It is also easy to add new components. When you are done, you can save your calibration and bind your data file. Of course, we also have access to the calibration data in Analysis or by opening the Files app. Chromperfect Unite supports the most advanced and complete reporting available. Multiple reports can be viewed simultaneously in the Analysis app. In addition to the standard layout, you can customize your own report using the format options within the Files app. Reports can be created to include multiple chromatogram or calibration plots, image files such as company logos, full formula functionality and mathematical calculations, statistical calculations and comparisons, conditional reporting, alarms, and much more. The Summary tool allows you to summarize data from thousands of chromatograms. Summary reports show chromatographic results and statistical calculations. These can be viewed, printed, or saved to an Excel spreadsheet or PDF report. Full GLP processes are supported with audit trails and history logs. Chromperfect Unite offers solid security and data protection. There is a full security suite with user and group security policies. This can be used to restrict permissions or access to important data. In addition to standard chromatography analysis, Chromperfect Unite also supports specialist applications, including size exclusion chromatography, simulated distillation, natural gas analysis, chemometric modeling. Unite your chromatography network today.